Hello, my friends. Magically MJ here. I just got back from a trip to Michael's and I got all this really cool wooden stuff. I can't wait to paint it, but I thought before I do, I should let you see what I got. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so this is my haul. Look at all this really awesome stuff. So I've got about 7 of these fairy doors. I'm gonna paint them all really different, cool designs, and I'm gonna leave them at random trees so that way we can attract more fairies. And then I've got these little wooden signs that I'm gonna deck out. They're gonna say some cool, emotionally charging stuff. I've got beautiful light up narwhals, light up unicorns, mermaids, and sea turtles. They all light up different colors. It's going to be really, really pretty. I've got this super awesome treasure chest. These are real leather straps. And a bunch of these little trays. I'm going to paint them really pretty colors. And the inside I'll probably fill with resin. And then, of course, these 3 little drawer trinket boxes. Those are going to be fun to do. And my favorite thing is this little 60s bus. It's supposed to be a birdhouse, but I think that it's probably going to be filled with cool stuff, like little succulents or fake flowers, or maybe I'll make little clay people and they'll sit inside. That'll be really cool. I'm definitely going to put a little peace sign right there. And what's really cool about this is these wheels. They actually spin just like a real car. All right, guys. So this was my haul. I got it all at Michael's. It was super cheap. They either were on sale or on clearance, and then I had a coupon for 20% off. So if you like what you see here, you should pop on down to your nearest Michael's, and you'll find some really cool stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye-bye. Mwah.